So what will become of the Senate, sir, kung hindi matuloy ang impeachment trial o maglang impeachment court? Because
Nakakahiya sa taong bayan kapag pagka nagkagano ng Senado. Pero sa
Sir, did you expect this?
How are you, sir?
we always expect it. You know, I've been here for a very long time. I have experienced this around 6 times from 1992 to the present, yung palit-palitan namin. So, as I said, we serve at the pleasure of our peers. So, there must be a plan or something. Maybe God has a different plan.
Oo. But is this because of the impeachment?
that way.
Is this because of the impeachment, sir? Yung nangyaring palitan ng liderato?
Probably. Probably. That's a very strong possibility. Because if I were Senate President, once the House approves the articles of impeachment and sends it to us, I will constitute and convene the impeachment court tomorrow.
May tampo ba kayo, sir, doon sa iba?
Hindi naman. Naiintindihan ko rin sapagkat may mga kanya-kanya silang agenda.
You weren't surprised at today's happening. Like
Not
you
really.
were
Not
ousted.
really. I was kind of expecting it because we've been hearing talks a few days ago. Hindi.